Hey, so it's day 21 in Franklin. Had some breakfast at the First Baptist Church. Right now, as you see, it looks like it's a good day to go hiking. The news report is still reporting thunderstorms between 11 and 2 p.m. So, I'm hoping that's the case, because I would really hate to waste another day in town waiting on a storm that's not going to show up. Because this morning it was supposed to be all thunderstorms throughout the day, and then I updated it just a little bit ago, and then it's showing clouds and rain and not even that bad. So I may be a little mad. But I guess we're gonna sit and we'll go to Outdoor 76. I think I'm gonna go over to Brooklyn Bagels, get me a cup of coffee, and see how that works. Alright, so probably won't be much filming today since it doesn't look like I'll be doing much, but we'll see. Talk to you later. How bad is this town's drug problem? Are you kidding me? This is what we're coming up to. AEDs, now opiates. The opiate rescue systems. Oh my goodness gracious. Ridiculous. Closed. But it's Monday, past 2. Oh. Of course. I guess they're on vacation. A good place, but useless. Alright, later. So I returned to the gas tavern again. I think I'm gonna probably get the chicken wings again. Probably. But it doesn't open until 11. It is what, 10:50 right now? So we're gonna wait here like a bunch of hobos, and we'll enjoy a lunch. All right, later.
Yep.
You're new.
We appreciate you not.
That shit's ridiculous.
Yeah, he's like, my burden weighs 17 pounds. Like, oh, you win, man. Mine's like 13.
Man,
It's coming down pretty good right now.
it started, yeah. Now, if it stays like this for a couple hours,
Then
that'd be
it'll be
fine.
worth it.
It'll be
It'll be
worth
worth
it.
it.
But if it's like 10 minutes, then I'll be
Well,
kind of
it's slowing-
upset.
it's slowing down.
It's no. It's just no.
If it was a swimming pool, I would go in.
We could have stayed at the Eternal Lodge with the hot tub.
So, yep, it definitely rained, and there's definitely thunder in the background. So, I don't know. So it's 3 o'clock. The rain has stopped. There's supposed to be some more tonight, but this was almost a waste of a day, really. Oh well, everything for a reason, right? So I guess we'll start off tomorrow and move on. It's supposed to be a nice day, so maybe we'll have clear weather for the tower and have some fun. I think I'm gonna go over to the Dollar General and see if I can pick something up, get ready for tomorrow, and roll on. But I better bring my raincoat just in case. It said that it's supposed to continue, but right now the skies does not look like it's going to rain anytime soon. So yeah. All right, later. So it's the end of day 21. I'm getting ready for bed. Gotta get up early tomorrow. Head out to the trail. It's supposed to be a nice day, which would be great because it's got a fire tower up on one of the gaps. It's gonna be a long, hard day. It's supposed to be 10 miles, and a lot of it's uphill. So we'll see how that's gonna roll. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you got to do, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.